Welcome to MarineMax. My name is Perry Avery, part of the sales team here. Today, we've got a 2023 Aviara AV40 Outboard. So starting on the back, we'll do a quick walkthrough. Twin black Mercury 600 V12. Very powerful. Getting this boat up on plane extremely quick. Something you need to really experience in person. Not a lot of boaters out there have tried these motors yet, so I encourage you to give us a call and come down after this video. One thing I like to talk about with these outboards is the amount of transom space you actually have. People are used to inboards and they say, hey, you know, I lose my swim platform. Well, not really. You know, you've got a very large section here. You've got a complete walk-through transom here, and then specifically with the 40, you see over there we've got a terrace that drops all the way down. Come on board, and then so you even got this expansive amount of space to port and to starboard. So we're tied up side 2 right now, but as you can see, we have 2 terraces that go down. This is your center seating pod. Here we've got port and starboard access into the boat. It's kind of a different setup, and I'll show you how it works. So these all fold flat. There's storage under each of these compartments. Dry storage. Your batteries are under this port one. But Aviara designed these boats with the thought of where people are going to be when they're using the boat, and a lot of it was, you know, towards the back of the boat, the seating. Another cool feature, we've got stadium seating that goes all the way around. So if you didn't know what these were, you can sit here, and when you bring your kind of feet up, your feet will go right behind here, sit out, watch the kids jumping off the back, whatever. So very cool. You don't see a lot of boats with that kind of feature. So all these other ones go down as well. But come on, let's take a look at the inside. As you come in the boat, you'll notice the beam. It's carried fully aft, so you get a wide feeling on this boat. Massive amount of seating. 20 people on this boat, 8 people in the bow. That's your limits. If you can find 20 people that you want to spend a day with, good on you. You can fit as many people as you want in this boat. Storage throughout every single seat. Below me is your Seakeeper 3, as well as access to your fuel tank. On starboard side, you got entertainment station. So, got dedicated trash can right here. You got cup holders throughout. Fuel fills on either side. A basin sink here. Electric grill. We've got all kinds of storage, bottle storage, freshwater sink, dedicated storage for a fire extinguisher, and then all the refrigeration you'll need for the day. So I give that, you know, A+ from Aviara. And when you put all this down, cheese, wine, charcuterie plate, it's all right there. Moving forward, got a nice tea table here. So if you need more countertop space, again, this can be taken out and stored below. This little L shape can store under these cushions here. You can take that out if you don't need it, but I think that's a really nice accent piece, even just in itself. Further, I mean, look up. So massive hardtop. I am 6'4", so maybe another foot. So you're looking over 7 feet. If you're a taller person, I think this is a boat you definitely have to look at. And it adds that profile piece that not a lot of other boats look. Aviara is made in the United States, but it's got kind of a European styling, which some of our customers, you know, that's what they said they liked. Show you these 2 right here. Dedicated Aviara coolers. You can pop these out, take them home, fill them up, put them back on the boat. Nice dedicated storage there. Klipsch audio, so you've got a subwoofer here, 2 in the hardtop, 2 aft, Again, enough to power your fun during the day. So let's check out the helm. Twin captains, double wide seats, with bolsters. There's also a drop-down foot bolster for those vertically challenged. Mercury, digital throttle and shift. Joystick piloting for outboards. This also has your skyhook feature as well as your autopilot. 2 Simrad screens and a dedicated Aviara screen. So this is your navigation primary screen here. This is your engine diagnostic screen. And then these are lights and other digital switching on this vertical screen here. That's all your Aviara specific items. Sunroof can go back and forward here. Of course, we got cup coolers, all kinds of little Easter eggs here. Once we take you out on the boat, we'll show you. Sunshade also go out on the back. So John, if you just want to show them what that looks like. Single touch of a button. Make fast shade. Goes all the way out. It's not buzzing. It's not loud. Super quiet. Covers the entire half of the boat. Moving forward a little bit more, just notice above my head, again, sunroof. It's about 20% open right now, but it'll go all the way further aft if you need a little bit more sunlight here in the helm. Let's take a look at the cabin. So it's a magnet, keeps that door open. You just step down inside. So 40-foot day boat, maybe one of the biggest day boats that you're going to find. But if you need to have some overnight capabilities, this is it. You've got maybe forward, some kids can fit in there. Backrest can also come up. Table here is removable, so you can use this as kind of an entertainment area. There's a very large flat screen TV and a little salon fridge down here with an ice box. So little amenities down here so you don't have to go up top. Right here, here's your onboard head. So you've got a little privacy there with a closed door, which is nice. And then fully aft and below is kind of your master suite here. So you do have to kind of crawl in here, but once you get in there, for a day boat, this is a very, very large space down here. I fit down here. You can fit 2 people, a couple down here for an overnight, very easy. All right, let's head up top. We're going to check out the bow now. So portside walkthrough up to the bow. Seeing these are coming more popular because it does give you that more space in the center of the boat. If you had to walk up the center, you're kind of split in a dual console setup, but I like what Aviara did, move the walkthrough to this side so you get more space over here. Got a wind blocking door here, and then this windshield does close and lock when you're underway, so we like to see that. And it'll just easily flip on the windshield when you're at rest. One thing I like to show people on these boats is, again, I'm a taller guy, but this gunnel comes up to my hip. To talk about security, feeling like you're inside the boat. Out here in the Chesapeake Bay, it can get pretty rough. We go through some choppy waters, but high gunnel makes you feel really safe on this boat. And again, you've got bolsters on the side, which I really like as well. Storage, lots of storage here. Anchor, rod, and chain can be accessed from under that gunnel here. Storage here, and then under this is just your headroom for down the cabin. All these are drainable. And then again, this right here, it's been sunny all day. Cool feel vinyl, does not get hot. I've sat on black. It does not get hot at a boat show all day. So it's something you may not believe me, but I promise you, cool feel vinyl. It's not going to burn you. So again, quick walkthrough. Come on down to Kent Island here in MarineMax in Graysonville. Give us a call. My name's Perry. Again, if you got any questions throughout the entire walkthrough, just shoot me a text, 330-348-6916. On behalf of everyone here at MarineMax Kent Island, thank you very much, and hope to see you on the water.